Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can insert bar graphs by using ThinkCell in PowerPoint presentation. So to do that, I have taken one blank PPT, then go to Insert tab. As I have already installed ThinkCell in my PC, so that's why this element icon is visible over here. Just click on the element icon. Now you can be able to see various icons for different types of charts and graphs. So let's say, for example, you want to add pie chart. So just click on pie chart. So here our objective is to create one bar graph. So that's why I'll be clicking on the bar graph option. So here in ThinkCell, there are three types of bar graphs are available. One is text column, then 100% column, and cluster column. So here, let me take text column. So whenever you'll be clicking on the icon, one rectangle will be visible on your screen. Just click on this. Now you can see one bar graph is visible on your screen with the dummy data. Okay, so to edit the data, just click on the bar graph, and then you can find this sheet icon. Just click on that. Here you can see this dummy data with dummy series name and years are visible. So let's say I don't want this series one. So instead of that, let me insert a product name called product A. Next series I want as product B, and I don't want this series C. So let me delete it. And let me insert the data as per my choice. So let me insert 212, then 122, then 434, then 335, and for 2021 it is 656 and 762. It is done. Now after editing the data, just close this. Now you can see your bar chart is updated with the data which you have just entered. Now let me clean this. So I don't want this product name here. So let me delete this. And I want this product A and product B as the legend. So just click on the graph and right click on it. Here, there's one option called add legend. Just click on that. So your legend is visible over here. So in ThinkCell, there are multiple options that are available. So just right click on the chart. Then there are two parts. So on the left side, you will get many kind of calculations which you can add on your chart. So first option is add label difference arrow. Second option is add total difference arrow. Third is add compound growth arrow. Fourth is add connector. And fifth is add value line. So here I would like to show add compound growth arrow. So just click on this. So here you can see our compound growth from 2019 to 2021 is 106%. Okay. So we spoke about left side option. In the right side, you will find other options to format your bar graph. So first option is remove total label. So if you want to remove your total label, you can do that by clicking on this, then remove segment label, then remove category label, then add series label, and then remove legend. So as I have already inserted legend, so that's why it is showing remove legend. Okay. So here I would like to add another detail like add value line. So whenever I'll add value line, it is showing basically the average. So here this bar graph is showing additional two values. One is compound growth arrow and another one is the average, which is not available by default in Excel. So if you are using Excel graph, then you need to insert manually or you need to spend some time to add this kind of detail, which is already available in the ThinkCell. So that is the major advantage of ThinkCell. Okay. So suppose you don't like the color of the bar graph. So to edit that, just left click on the bar graph and these options will be visible. So first option is to change the font size and the type. Okay. After that, outline option is visible. Then you can change the color of the bar chart. After that, these are important options. So let's say you don't want a stacked bar chart. So suppose you want to add 100% bar chart. So in that case, just select on this. If you want clustered column, select this one. And also you can change your chart type from bar graph to area chart. Also, you can convert it into line chart. So my objective is to create a clustered column. So let me select this. And also I want to change the color. So let me go into this and I'll select smoke blue from here. Now you can see your chart color is already being changed. So this is all about Syncell, and you can do the same step while you are inserting any type of charts or graphs. So that's all. And thank you so much.